The ROV's powerful spotlight beam illuminates the colossal form of the Komatsu 930E mining truck. The relentless power of the marine environment is clear. Thick layers of rust and dense barnacle clusters
Look at the size of those hydraulics.
It's incredible. All right, team, let's get the initial assessment started.
This thermal readout on the chassis seems elevated right here.
Yes, the AR confirms a microfracture at junction 7B. We need to log this for immediate repair.
The historical data conflicts with the current readout on the hub assembly.
See how the holographic model highlights the fatigue points.
These scans reveal potential stress fractures or hidden corrosion pockets, ensuring the integrity of the massive machine. Technicians use a strict color coding system. Red indicates total replacement, while yellow flags components.
This is the critical path for the strut removal.
Agreed. We need to allocate 3 shifts for that section alone.
The Komatsu 930E restoration project required a meticulous engineering approach. Every component was tagged and tracked.
A logbook and personal effects. He kept them down here.
We're seeing significant fatigue around the structural points.
The spectrometer confirms the accelerated corrosion.
Watch the clearance on the exhaust stack.
All right, she's clear. Bring it up another 10 feet.
Sensor array connected to port 4.
Confirmed. Checking telemetry now.
We have stable readings across the board, ready for spin-up.
side, keep it coming straight.
Brake supply now.
Tires, check. Chassis, check. Engine hydraulics nominal. Clear for operation.
As you can see here, the void extends deeper than anticipated. This microcrack compromises the structural integrity.
The voltage regulator is stable, but this trace doesn't match the schematic. We need to document the deviation.
Modern avionics components are skillfully adapted to fit seamlessly within the Komatsu 930E's period-accurate housings.
Metal components are carefully placed into the heat treatment furnace to relieve internal stresses and enhance durability.
Zoom in on grid reference C4.
Confirmed. I see the microfracture. Looks like fatigue near the leading edge.
panel aligned. Start the top rivets.
Engaging the tool. Looks flush.
Alignment looks good. Secure it.
Torquing the final bolt. It's locked in place.
Double check the initiator wiring before we close the housing.
Verified. All safety pins accounted for.
Roger, slow descent initiated.
Clear on the starboard side.
Aligning pin 1.
Pressure holding steady at 5,000 psi.
Confirmed. System integrity is good.
Ground control, this is Komatsu 930E Echo, radio check, over.
Looks good. Oil pressure is steady.
Confirmed. We are ready for load testing.
All right, initiate braking sequence now. Confirm system response.
Braking initiated. System response is nominal.
Thank you.
A testament to engineering, the Komatsu 930E stands restored, a symbol of endurance.
The flow rate looks stable at 350.
Good. Maintain coverage on the leading edge.